RPO a go-go, RPO a go-go, RPO a go-go. Oh, hi. I couldn't help myself because we just got started on another segment here. And, you know, RPO is one of those areas that I serve, recruitment process outsourcing, that I'm watching grow tremendously. And why wouldn't it? Companies, their core competency is to do whatever they do, to provide their product, their service, whatever it is. It's not to hire people. Outsourcing has been big for a long time. RPO, recruitment process outsourcing, is getting bigger all the time. Now, if you're an RPO, you know this. And for you, my challenge to you is you're not making enough money. I'm watching the margins in that industry, the razor-thin margins, relatively speaking, and I look at the value you provide, and it's a crime. It's time for you to instill more value and reciprocate with higher margins and higher profits. For those who are not in RPO, it's time to do the RPO a go-go. If you're good at recruiting, and if you're not, you should get the heck out of the staffing and recruiting business. RPO is something that you can add to your suite of services that your customers need. So, RPO a go-go, go. Go look at RPO, or if you do RPO, look at enhancing value and increasing your fees, because what you do is so valuable and so in need.